Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today is a fun one. I bought an original Tesla Roadster, a 2010. I bought it from the original owner. It's a really unique color combo. And so I'm gonna show you that car. And then we actually got some work done on it. We got the paint corrected. It's a 15, 16-year-old paint job, but it looks really, really good. So come along for the Tesla Roadster adventure. We bought an original Tesla Roadster and it just showed up. I'm excited. Oh, yeah, look at that, dude. Yeah, that is so freaking cool. I have never seen one in person. No, all these years, I've never seen one in person. Dude, that is, yeah, well, so the British Racing Green, the internet's probably gonna eat me alive, but supposedly they only made like 20 in this color or something like that. So we bought this from the original owner. He bought it in 2010 or 2011. So he's been driving it for 15 years, all original, everything. We need to wash this sucker. This thing is so cool. What's up, Zach? Welcome back. What do you guys think of this thing?
It's tiny.
It is tiny, yeah. You've seen one before?
Yeah, I've heard of one.
How? It's my first one I've seen.
I had a client back in 2011.
Wow.
August 29, 2011.
So that's when they came out, I think 2010, 2011. Yeah. Was that here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. So this one, that's the interesting thing about it is they made a very, very limited number in this color combo. I think from my research, like 10 to 20 in this British Racing Green. It's so freaking cool. This is pre-Elon, right? This is the car they designed, I think, before Elon was there. Do we need to charge it? We probably do.
They pulled it in.
Where's the charging port?
Right here.
Oh, that's cool.
I mean, this is the smallest tire I've seen on a Tesla.
That is, no kidding.
16?
Yeah.
Are the tires any good? I didn't even look.
Like some sport rated tires.
Do they got some tread on them?
Yeah.
I want to take it for a ride. Can you guys close the stuff down? I want to drive this sucker. Check it out. Okay. All right. Fun. We will. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. Got to get this right. All right. Got the mirrors right. What's up there, Summer? All right. You ready? It's to the floor. Oh. That's it. Oh, that's nothing compared to normal. Oh my gosh. That's it. That's it. Oh my gosh. This is like no electric I've ever driven by a long shot. Freaking cold too, dude.
Yeah, that's true.
It's cool though. It's fun. All these old school buttons. I mean, it drives nice, smooth, but it doesn't have any like zip. It's so crazy. Like you put in the key and you turn it. Dude, it's freaking cool. I'm taking the top off. Yeah. We're in Utah in January. It's freezing, but kind of had to do it. It's quiet. I'm surprised how quiet it is. Yeah. All right, we're gonna race somebody off the line here. You ready? Okay, I want you to count out loud how long it takes to get to 60.
All right.
Because we're on a straightaway and just be like 1, 2,
all right.
0 to 60 in 8 seconds. An electric car is nuts. Yep. Yeah, you see the 60 right there?
I'll count.
It's in really nice shape. Gosh, isn't it? It's really nice. Okay, ready? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Dude, 0 to 60 in 8. I almost think something's wrong with it, dude. That can't be right. 0 to 60 in 18 seconds? That can't be right. I wonder if it's because it's got only 28 miles of range, if it kind of chills out. Let's go back and charge it and see. What a fun experiment, though.
Yeah.
Dude, the power, it's like old school power steering. So I think we're gonna give this car away. So we bought it kind of with that intention. Dude, yeah, it's like power steering. You gotta like crank it. Dude, something's gotta be wrong with it though. It can't be that slow. We should see if there's like different drive modes or something. So something's gotta be wrong with it. 0 to 60 in 18 seconds.
What's the charge?
So I'm wondering if it's just because it's such a low charge. It's only got like 25 miles left. But dude, we'd hit it and it just like 18 seconds. We had him count how long it took. So there you are.
Plug it in.
Yeah, definitely plug it in. You might have to flip it around, sorry. Still, and freezing. That was a dumb idea to take the roof off. So you can put the roof back on. Yeah, we'll get it all cleaned up. This will be my daily for a few minutes.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is cool. It's different. Collector's item, right?
Where'd you get it?
I bought it in Dallas, Texas. Yeah. Bought it from the original owner. Guy's been driving it for 15 years. Wow. Driving it a lot. Like he almost every day. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, it'll be. It is actually, yeah. You know, it reminds me of my wife's car that we just did. So it's a little bit lighter, but similar color combo. Hey, when you guys are walking around too, will you just notice if there's a car without our new EV plate on it, just put it on it.
Oh,
the new big logo. You know, we want those on every car we've got. And you know what we ought to do? We ought to even put them on cars when we send them out.
Service customers?
Yeah, you think people would be pissed if you slap one on there? I mean, they're generic enough.
Service.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yep. What's up, Hunter? Dude, yeah, you guys got to drive that thing. Well, both of you will have a hard time fitting. It's pretty fun. You know what's crazy though? Something's wrong with it. We counted it 0 to 60 in 18 seconds. It's like, and I think it's because it only has 20 miles to charge, so it's conserving energy. But yeah, 18. I had Connor count. Good looking though. Yeah, it's in great shape. Let's see if he can fit in it. Let's see if Hunter can fit in the Tesla. Yeah, you gotta slide the seat back.
Oh.
No, he needs the top off probably to fit.
That's what I'm saying. Put it on me. Watch him punch
This is like clown car.
boy.
Oh. Hey, I mean,
not terrible.
that's not. You can drive.
You can't ride the loop on this. No.
No.
See? I feel your eyes are right, like.
That's awesome. That's close. I mean, what's what you get out of it though?
Just roll out.
He's like squishing his legs into his knees into his chest. All right, you did a little better than I thought. We'll let everybody take it for a ride though. That is some charger.
I don't even know if it's charging yet. It says it's preparing to charge.
ghetto.
Yeah, but it's 0% complete.
Can we do a level 2 with the converter instead of the wall plug? I mean, that's just a 1772, right? Dude, I don't touch stuff. I break everything. I'm not doing it because I'll just get pissed, yank that thing out, and bust it.
It's different. It's not this kind.
It's not simple.
Really? It's its own?
It's its own charger. It's completely different. If you take it out, look at it.
It's different than our What is it? Oh wow, you rotate.
Oh, fancy.
Well, maybe that's why it's different.
Yeah, it's different.
Well, let's get on the internet and so we can do a level 2 adapter. I guess it is going to sit there for like a month.
Yeah, probably.
That thing will sit there forever. All right, cool. The original Tesla Roadster. We bought one of them, and we got the paint corrected. It looks incredible.
Here you are,
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good to see you.
Good job,
So
dude.
there's some paint defects.
Yeah,
that
that's not
just-
your fault. That's
that
what
aren't
it is.
gonna come out. And
Oh,
then-
that's pretty, isn't it?
yeah, it looks a lot better.
That
I
is a
think.
pretty color. Dude, the before and after, that is
Yeah.
good looking. South Valley Auto Detail, he's helping us out down here in Lehigh. This is the first car you've done for us.
Yeah.
I gotta be honest, you did a good job, dude. I mean, this car is almost 16 years old.
And then
And
you
this
just
is the
got
original
like the
paint.
rotten PPF up here.
Yeah.
On
Yep.
those parts.
Yep.
But other than that, yep.
Looks really good. And was it fun driving it over here?
Oh, it was. So all the paint's coated, all the windows are coated.
Oh, you did the windows too?
Yeah,
Nice,
so-
dude. Appreciate it.
And it should be 5-year protection, so.
It's great. Did I tell you we're gonna give it away?
Oh, really?
You're gonna give this
no
car away?
way.
Yeah. We're gonna do a thing where you like buy merch, then you get entries. And,
Dude,
and you'll
this
be able to
seems
enter for
sweet.
free too, but yeah, we're gonna do like and then we're just gonna give it to a
How
customer.
much do you guys pick it up for? Because the comps are like 200,
Yeah.
130.
Well, here's the thing. This one has 90,000 miles
Oh,
on it.
okay.
So I got it, but one owner.
There you go.
The guy that bought it brand new from Tesla drove it for the last 15 years.
Yeah.
And I mean, he babied it, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, you didn't have to you spent a day on it,
A
not
day.
like multiple days,
Nope,
you know?
nope.
And it looks really great. Look at how good that looks, you guys. Original paint. That's 16-year-old paint.
Killer.
Yeah, we got a little bit of damage there though.
Yeah.
Looks really good. You did a great job, Jack.
Thank you. Thanks for having me out, guys.
Yeah, no, we appreciate it. So this is a good audition for Jack.
That's what I was
Yeah.
saying, man.
Will you introduce him? You know what? Actually, do you mind? They are absolutely blitz.
You're good. I
They'll
see
forget
it.
you in 2 minutes.
You're
So
good.
if you want to come back another day
Okay.
and talk to Derek,
Sure.
and talk to Derek, Amir, and Justin,
Okay.
I think it'd be better than
Okay.
doing it today.
No, fair.
Is that cool?
You guys are always slammed, so
Okay.
we get it. Did they build these on a
Lotus.
Lotus
It's
frames?
a Lotus. Yeah, it's a Lotus frame. Yeah, Lotus frame, rear wheel drive, convertible, top comes off. We did that the other day and it was freezing, so
They're
we'll leave the top on for now.
It's sweet.
But I'm excited to drive it. Okay, man, I'm gonna bounce.
Okay.
Appreciate it, brother.
I'm gonna take a couple of videos
Yeah,
just
do it.
outside
Yeah, go
because I
ahead. Go
forgot
ahead.
to.
Yep.
So
Thanks, you guys.
Race the C8 against it.
You know what? It'll beat it. Yeah, it'll beat it. No, the C8 will beat it.
Well, really?
Oh yeah. This is a 16-year-old EV. I mean, yeah, it'll beat it. It's quick, but it's nothing like modern EVs. Yeah, no, the Plaid will crush the C8. I've actually raced the C8 in a Plaid. Yeah, well, not accidentally. I had the first Plaid in Utah, and the old Plaids just said Plaid in little silver letters. They didn't have the big sticker on them, you know. And so I pulled up next to a guy in a brand new C8 a Saturday morning up in Kaysville, and we kind of looked at each other like, yeah, you know. And I launched that sucker and left him in the dust so fast. And so he followed me, finally caught him, rolls down to the window, and he goes, I didn't know that was a Plaid. That's not fair, because it had a subtle little badge and it didn't know. So anyway, we had a good laugh about it. Well, those C8s are fun and it's a totally different car.
It is.
Yeah, I love this. I love the sound. So okay, thanks you guys. Appreciate it. See ya. Come look at this car.
It's like a mini Pagani.
15-year-old paint. It's actually, this is a Lotus. This car.
Yeah.
This is a Lotus frame. Yeah, I mean, there's those two little pieces, but for a 15-year-old car. Yeah, carbon fiber, and the roof comes off, so it's just a little convertible.
It's pretty cool.
Dude, and you get into it, you have to turn it on. Like you put a key in and turn it. I'm like, why do you turn it?
That's a workout.
Yeah, it is. It's small. Yeah. we had Hunter get into it. He barely fit, man. Yeah. I drove this up here on the freeway going like 80. It was a little bit bumpy. It's a beautiful little car though, I think.
We should not sell this.
We're not. We're going to give it away.
We should keep it we should put it in a showroom.
We're going to give it away.
Oh.
We're going to do a buy a hat, get an entry.
Can I enter?
Yeah, you can. Absolutely. I'll let you take it.
What's the range?
It's like 180 miles.
How much?
180. Yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That was fun. That car is super cool, and as I mentioned in the video, we're going to give it away, so stay tuned for that. But hope you enjoyed watching the Tesla Roadster adventure. So grateful for you guys. You've changed everything for me and my business. Your support, your comments, your likes, your business, which I'd love. If you want to buy a car from me, you can go to evauto.com. If you want to sell me a car, I've got ibuyteslas.com, ibuyrivians.com. We'd love to do business with you either way. So again, thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. And until next time, nice talking to you.